Vitamin C and retinol, two very powerful skincare ingredients, but never do the mistake of layering them together as it can cause skin irritation. So if you're using both the ingredients, use vitamin C as a part of your Am skincare routine and retinol at night. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant and helps in fighting the free radical damage. Olay's Vitamin C Serum comes with the goodness of niacinamide, which helps in reducing dark spots and pigmentation. Use this after face wash before the steps of moisturization or sunscreen. And retinol helps as an anti-aging and skin rejuvenating ingredient. The Olay Retinol 24 Serum is also packed with niacinamide. In combination, it helps in tightening the pores, boosting the collagen production and increasing the skin cell turnover. These products in combination will help you achieve the plump and radiant looking skin you deserve. Also check out the Vitamin C and Retinol 24 Serum from Olay on the Nykaa Pink Friday sale, and by clicking the link below, get them on a discounted price.